Glasgow Royal Concert Hall hosts 200 events over the course of the year. Everything from orchestral folk music to rock and pop. We used to be reliant on visiting productions bringing their own PA systems in, which kind of brought its own problems. We couldn't always guarantee that every seat in the house was experiencing the same level of audio quality. We wanted to be able to attract the best artists and performances as possible. So yeah, it was extremely important for the venue to upgrade the PA system so that we were in line with what our clients will expect. When Adlib presented their design, the K2 system, we were really excited to engage with them. We've got the K2 binary system. We've also got some offset of the subs above the stage. We've got delays and some speakers facing the choir stalls, and we've got smaller speakers around the underside of the balcony. The design ensures that every seat in the house is being considered so that everyone has the same experience. It was important to us to have a PA system that didn't encroach in the space. So the delays are discrete, built into the fabric of the building, so there is the main PA that's hanging, but you don't necessarily notice any of the smaller PA. Working with Adlib has been absolutely brilliant. We knew what we wanted to achieve, and Adlib came forward with a system that ticked all the boxes. We've had some very, very good reviews from a few of the gigs that have happened in here, and particularly mentioning how excellent the sound is. So yeah, we're extremely happy with the system.